Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use UpBase for initiative planning with this full 2025 guide. Our first step is to log into your UpBase account. This is the starting point where you'll access all your initiatives and collaborate with your team. Remember, the reason we do this is to ensure that everyone involved in the initiative is on the same page, promoting smooth project execution. Once we're logged in, we'll navigate to the Initiatives tab. This is where you can view all your ongoing initiatives. Now, to start planning for a new initiative, click on the New Initiative button. This helps us because it allows us to create a fresh workspace dedicated exclusively to our new initiative. Next up, you'll be required to fill in the details of your new initiative. Start by giving it a unique name. Then, define your goals and how you plan to achieve them in the description field. The reason we do this is to provide a clear roadmap for your initiative, laying a solid foundation for your planning process. Now that we've done that, it's time to assign roles to your team members. Assigning roles is crucial as it clarifies who is responsible for what, eliminating confusion and enhancing productivity. You can do this by clicking on the Add Members button and assigning a role to each member. After assigning roles, the next step is to set deadlines. To do this, click on the Timeline tab and set a start and end date for your initiative. This helps us because it provides a time frame for the goals to be achieved, which keeps everyone focused and motivated. Now, let's add in some tasks. You can do this by going to the Tasks tab and clicking on New Task. Here, you'll add a task name, assign it to a team member, and set a deadline. Let me explain why this matters. Tasks break down your initiative into manageable chunks, making it easier for team members to understand and complete their assignments. Finally, it's time to hit the Save button, and voila, your initiative is all set. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UpBase saves all your input and creates a comprehensive, easy-to-follow plan that your team can access and collaborate on. And that's it. You've now learned how to use UpBase for initiative planning. Remember, the key to successful initiative planning is clarity, collaboration, and consistency. UpBase provides the tools, you provide the teamwork. Happy planning, and see you in the next tutorial.